Have you ever missed a message that could have been a next big deal? Maybe a big client. Maybe someone filled out on your website a form or messaged your business page, but by the time you saw it, they'd already hired somebody else. That's a big problem. And we're going to fix that in this series. It's called Missed Opportunities. Welcome to the Inbound Automation series. Over the next few videos, I will show you how to make sure no big leads ever slip through the cracks again using one of my favorite automation tools, n8n. n8n is an open source workflow platform. Think of it kind of like a control center where your apps talk to each other automatically. It's kind of like Zapier or Make, but way more flexible, private, and powerful. What makes n8n special, it's not just a connector, it's the brains of your digital system. You can build workflows that listen for inbound messages, analyze them with AI, and send instant personalized replies, all while you sleep or busy working or playing with your family. In this episode, we'll look at how inbound automation works, why it's so valuable, and take a quick tour of the n8n dashboard so you can see how easy it is to get started. By the end of this video, you'll understand the full potential of automating inbound messaging and be ready to build your very first workflow in the next one.
Stuck manually processing form submissions, constantly copying data between apps, missing leads because you can't be everywhere at once? This video is for you. I'm going to show you n8n. And honestly, it's kind of a game changer for automation. No corporate buzzwords, just real workflows that actually work and transform the way your business operates. I'm keeping this practical. Real screens, real workflows, real results. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is n8n? Think of it as Zapier's open source self-hostable cousin, but with significantly more power and flexibility. Here's my n8n dashboard. You can see workflows running on schedules, others waiting for webhook triggers, and some on standby, ready to activate whenever you need them. The platform is free to self-host, or you can use their cloud version with a free tier. Either way, you own your workflows and your data. n8n includes 541 integrations. We call them nodes. You've got everything from Google Sheets and Slack to cutting-edge AI models. You connect nodes together and you've built your automation. Each box you see is a node. This particular workflow monitors form submissions, automatically adds the data to a spreadsheet, and fires off a Slack message, all running 24/7 without lifting a finger. Here's why this actually matters. When someone submits a contact form, that data typically lands in an email inbox or a Google Sheet, and then it just sits there. Maybe it waits for hours while you're asleep or in a meeting. That's lost time. With inbound automation, the second that form submits, the workflow triggers instantly. Watch what happens in just 2 seconds. Webhook receives the data. Data is added to Google Sheets. Lead score gets calculated. Slack notification fires. Welcome email is sent. Every single execution is logged with timestamps. Complete transparency. You know exactly what ran, when it ran, and what happened. Let's walk through a real-world example. Search for webhook in the template library, and you'll find over 1,400 template workflows. Take this one. It captures incoming client inquiries and logs them directly to Google Sheets. Simple and effective. Just 3 nodes, webhook trigger, code node to format your data, Google Sheets to write the data. You can copy this template directly into your workspace or build from scratch. Let's create one from the ground up. Here's where the magic starts. n8n generates a unique URL for you. Any data sent to this URL automatically triggers your workflow. That's what a webhook does. The full data payload captured and ready to process. That's real-time inbound automation in action. Webhooks are just one piece of the puzzle. n8n actually supports 108 different trigger types. Here are the most useful ones. Schedule trigger, run every hour, every day. Airtable trigger, fires on database change. Slack trigger, reacts to channel messages. Gmail, trigger, monitors, inboxes. Webhook, trigger for instant inbound events. Manual trigger, you click a button, it runs, good for testing. Let's talk about the comparison of n8n to the others. Zapier, charges per task. Free tier gives you 100 tasks per month. After that, you're paying. Make, same deal. Limited free tier, then you hit the paywall. n8n free tier gives you 3,000 executions, or just host it yourself, unlimited. No bills. Here's the real differentiator: flexibility. You can write custom JavaScript or Python in workflows. Real logic, API calls, data transformations, no paid add-ons required. Here's the bottom line: you set up automation once and it just works 24/7. You're literally asleep and it's still running. Build it once, turn it on, it runs automatically. That's it. And there's literally 2,700 workflows ready to use. Ready to go deeper? In our next video, we'll build workflows from scratch, connecting nodes, setting up triggers, creating logic. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it.
If you made it this far, you've already proven something most people never do. You're not afraid of change. You've learned how to capture leads, automate outreach, scale conversations with AI voice, increase efficiency, and now even build autonomous agents that think and act on their own. You've just built the blueprint for the next generation of business. One that doesn't rely on luck or hustle alone, but on systems that think, learn, and execute. What we're building together isn't just automation, it's freedom. Freedom from repetitive work, freedom to focus on creativity, strategy, and impact. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or running a global team, these tools give you leverage, and leverage is the new superpower. So don't stop here. Keep improving your automations, test new agents, measure ROI, and refine your workflows. The more you automate, the more time you can earn back, and the smarter your business becomes. If you found these videos valuable, share them with someone who's still burdened in manual work. Subscribe, connect, and stay tuned, because this is just the beginning. The future of work is already here. It's automated, intelligent, built by you. I'm Braden Posey. This has been Affinity AI Automation Mastery Class. Let's go build the future, one system at a time.